At what value in the function? Which function are we talking about here? Y equals to minus 3 minus 2x plus x squared attain its maximum value. Okay, let us differentiate the function first. So dy dx equals to here minus 2 plus 2x plus 2x. Any function attains its maximum value if its derivative is equal to 0. That means this function now attains its maximum value if dy dx is equals to 0. Okay, what is dy dx here? This one, meaning instead of this we write this. That means this implies that this function minus 2 plus 2x will be equals to 0 when this function attains maximum value. So what's the value of x here? So 2x will be equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2. This one. Okay. So x will be equals to 2 divided by 2. So x will be equals to 1. That is the value of it. So at what value does the function this? That means it attains its maximum value if x equals to 1. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you do, share this video.